Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channels. This today's video is going to discuss about the concept on ethics in information technologies. This concept will be related to unit number 4 on managing ethical dilemma on the subjects that is business ethics and corporate governance. So last videos we discussed about some of the ethical issues related to marketing, finance and HR. So the next concept as per the syllabus or under that unit number 4, that is managing ethical dilemma, that is ethics in information technology. Let's discuss on today's videos where we have to move for that on that. So basically when we discuss about ethics in information technology, where the word comes information technology, the word will become in the mind that is IT field. So IT field, that is the where everything's today we are going to be moving for, that is with the help of IT technology, IT industries, where largest things in the world today is the basically we can include about that IT field, where we include about 21st century's fastest growing field, that is information technology field, that today is where the information as playing the important role, and how these industries will be work out today's and to be manage each and everything all over the world. So that becomes a challenge for every organization. So that purpose we will discuss about how the ethics it is involved in the IT field, that is information technology. So in the rapidly changing of technology environment in which we live, ethical issues are increasing being raised, because every day what we use today of technology will be the oldest of next day what technology will become the pictures. So maybe you are using for as the technology what we use for last month, and it will comes in the next month, it will be far better and it will be upgraded of the technology. So demanding attention and efforts towards the resolutions where the ethical issues will be arises of particular interest for us, and information societies are those related to ICT, that is information communication technology, basically under that. And apart from that, the pursuing issues raised by ICT will be involved in individual and corporate privacy. Basically the IT field where we use about the information technologies, where how we maintain the individual privacy using about this ICT concepts, and corporate privacy, intellectual property rights, individual and societal rights, values preservation and accountability for the consequences arising from the use of ICT. These issues have thrown up important challenge in the era of employment, working condition and individual, because nowadays where the growing industry, fastest growing industry today, we are talking about the information, and where the various challenge will be faced in that year, how these industries will providing employment and giving working condition and individualities. So that will focus where IT is a central role in a commerce, industry, government, medicine, education, entertainment and society at large, because nowadays where we face that things where it will be the playing central roles to be connect to the each and every person all over the world, where we are using that IT, maybe that related to commerce, because commerce activities will play 90% of the activities, industries, the government, medicine, education, entertainment and society at large. Its economic and social benefit hardly need explanation, but like any other technological, IT also has a problematic implication and some negative impact on our society. How it will be considered, because to the impact of your societies, and there basically IT will play important roles where the purpose of how the developed nation will be using that IT industries, and how the developing or underdeveloped countries we are using that here as a IT industries. And that related to your IT industries, basically where we play about the role, if it is control in the hands of government, it will become that is your as a help as a positive reforms to our country. But if it is not controlled in a government, then it will play as a negative impacts, and that's why country like our India basically is where the technologies will have the more scopes, IT industries have more scope, but having that utilization of technology in a proper way, the government has facing the many challenges today to be has to manage where the either commerce field, industries, government, medicine, education, entertainment, societies, where every day the technology has been growing, and that will leads to that how control with them, and it will face many implications, and it has some of the negative impacts on society because it is not controlled entirely in the hands of government, so it will play as a negative role. So let's discuss about some ethical issues will be arises, some unethical practices due to that your information technology, that is will be considered plagiarisms, where is a word that is the work of others is copied but the author present it as his or own works, the act of presenting another work or ideas at our own. Nowadays information play important role where easily we can get any kind of information, and because of that information available easily, most of the people are carry other people's informations and they are using that is others works where they are representing the that is in a own, and this is highly unethical practice but happens quite frequently, and with all the information that is now available in the internet, it is much easier to do, is happening more often, and it is growing fastest way where many people are copying with the others information or other ideas and they are representing that is their own. So this will be the unethical practices should consider in the field of IT, because internets where the Google where we can available easily any kind of information, if you types you can get easily, but we are going to be copied others information without reference of that person, we are putting that as our own. So that is become the unethical practices, and it is become that another unethical issues related to that is your information technologies. Then comes to privacy, that is play very much important, that is piracy is the piracy concept, that is the illegal copying of software is very serious problem, and it has estimated that approximately 50% of all program on PCs are pirated copies, where license without taking about the license, most of the software we are using in the world where has the piracies, programs spend hours and hours designing program but using elaborate code and surely need to be protected. Although some might argue that some pirating at least should be permitted, it can be helped to lead more computer literate populations, just like country like developing and underdeveloped countries, that to become piracy it will be useful, but the piracy it is not using proper way, that's why it becomes, instead of using that is the piracy concept as for software for developing nation or underdeveloped nations, it has become the negative factors where 50% of that concepts has become that is copied by that things or illegally copying with the software. So this become another that is unethical practices where we are doing in the IT field. So IT has having that another challenge in the today's world, the piracy is how the software has been taken place. Then the another issues, that is the biggest issues today we are facing, that is hacking. That is a hacker is an individual who is knowledgeable enough to gain access without authorization computer system, identify security fall, hackers break into and hack into systems. Yesterday's only we heard about in one newspapers that some of the education institutions, that is online education system is that is their account has been hacked, and their role or their activities has been copied, and they are going to be selling to the other person in a million. That is the biggest challenge in the today's world where the hacking has been taken place. This news is will happen in the yesterday's only, where one of the institutions work has been hacked and it is going to be sold out by many people with in a million rupees. So it becomes a challenge, and hacking can be undertaken by variety of reasons, such as the wish of damage of system or wish to undertake how system work so that the money can be made out of it. Means either we can be hacked and we can be damaged them, or either we can copy that to be hacked and we can sell to the money. Alternatively, there might be desire to alert people to the fact that a system insecure and needs to improving. That is where the system will be challenging today's world in the IT field, that is hacking will be facing a very huge problem. So that's why the firewall system has to be connected to the every system where the system has been worked with the information technology ICT concept point of view, where we has to knowing about that is so we can avoid that hacking should set the firewall and you can reduce that thing. So another ethical practice, another biggest challenge in the field of IT where ethical issues will be taken place as unethical, that is hacking can be taken place. Then come to malicious codes. That attacks include number of type of computer program that were created with the intention of causing data loss or damage. The three main types of malicious code attack, that is virus, Trojan horses, and worms. These kind of codes will affect in your systems, maybe your cell phones or maybe your laptops or maybe your office, any systems where they are going to be providing some of the codes, and that viruses and Trojan horse or worms will be attacked your systems and it will be damaged completely, and this will be leads to become that is your unethical practice, because to avoid competition some of the hackers or some of the competitors will do that to using that kind of this codes, and they will be damaged, so it becomes unethical practices in the field of ITs. Then comes to another way, that is digital divides. So this is again the another issues we are facing today's world, that is digital divides poses a serious problem today. A new breed of haves and have nots are being created between those that have access and can use a computer and the internet and those do not have such access. There are clearly serious ethical implications here. Those that do not have such access may well be discriminated against, feel socially excluded and miss out on my life opportunities. Where how this digital divides come to the picture, that is where we can connect it to that notebook to the nowadays in a notepad, and that will be the challenge to the in the field of IT, where how the digital divides will be affected to the society's peoples to be access about that activities, and it will leads to how the earlier haves and have not is there, and now it is going to change how and haves and have not, and how we are going to be clearly serious implications where how to be accessed with them, and how the digital divide become the problems to many of the society peoples to become, that is where has to be access this kind of activities, where using about e-learning activities, where most of the agencies are nowadays started with that is digital divides, where they are to going for that is e-learning channels, where they are going to be completely avoiding the physical activities and they are going to the as a technological findings. But as a point of view, using technologies it is good, but if it is using as 100%, it is again affected to the other segments, so that will become, that is your digital divide, it is your another unethical practices. And basically under that your all these issues related to the ethical issues in information technology, this IT field today has having the more scopes, and even in a particular concept like that is the country like the developing and underdeveloped countries have more scope to adopt, or you can focus on that more on technology, or using that IT you can do that other activities. But the challenge is there in the one side, where using IT information technology activities, where there will be the very negative impact, where because even not only for developing or underdeveloped countries have the negative impact, but even developing countries. Let's take an example where last 2 years back, where Google has been imposed as a that so some kind of that is penalties, because Google has only showing about that is few companies advertisements, and because of that US embassy that is as a USA has been taken some of the fine from that Google, that they are not showing that is your all companies advertisement. So it becomes as a negative implication for your activities also. Even though Facebook also face the many problems, because they are sharing some of the information illegally through some of the countries, and they are also getting that is banned and some of the countries, and they are getting that is the huge number of penalties they are going to be accessed. So using that IT field today's world, it is become that as help to each and every field, but basically to be as a secure first, and then only we can use that IT fields. It will be the better way to be develop our ethical issues when we has to follow our standards. We can set huge number of standard today it is required in our particular country. The basic things we can work out as the IT is having more scope, but to be worked out as a proper way, the government should and must will create the standards, norms, whom we are going to be created their programs or the system, who are the parties involved, who are the parties will be beneficiaries, should have the control, should set the standards, and then only you can be access to that activities with the help of this IT fields, so that it will be controlled easily. If you are without setting standards and without having that network activities, we cannot say that this information technology play as a boost to the economy. Instead of that, it will be impact as a negative activities. And apart from that, where we has to be consider the issues related to the concepts, that is where we focus majorly on under the issues related to issues related to your information technology. The ethics play important role. So when you set the standards, it will have the correct code of access and it will be reached to that how we has been used for this IT. So overall information technology basically work to the purpose of that, where we has to be reached to the each field. But when you follow the ethics in ITs, you should be avoid such kind of things. It becomes that is as a positive way of things. So this is what related to information technology of, that is ethics in information technology. So we'll end up with that today's videos. Let's subscribe, like and share for these videos. Thank you.